Robbie Weeds here, back in the garage with my 10-inch Atlas lathe. Wanted to show my custom automatic feed here with a wiper motor. You can see I don't have the control box built yet, but what I have is a 12-volt power supply going to a 12-volt speed controller. It's a potentiometer with a pulse width module that does the voltage control, and it has its built-in reversing switch, so I can control either way. And I'll show you how it works real quick. Neutral is right in the center on this switch right here. Then the red light comes on, and here let's put it in forward, and we'll turn it on. You can see it starts off slow, and the half nuts are engaged. So see, it's turning the lead screw, and then slowly it's moving the carriage, and I can speed it up. See how it's going a little faster, and this is at full 12 volts, about 2 amps. And then I could slow it back down, throw it in reverse, start it back up again, and see now the lead screw is quite dirty. It's aluminum, but I'll make sure to clean it. The whole lathe is dirty, actually. It's because I've been working on my my milling conversion, which I'll show in another video. But you can see now the carriage is moving in the opposite direction, and I could bump up the speed, and this is full speed. And this is what I just turned on it, just to test out the type of finish I'm getting, and it's decent for the speed I was going at. That's just mild steel. I'm sure I could get a nicer finish if I tried a little harder, but this is just a used wiper motor. You know, I got this speed controller for $8. This is a trailer battery for engaging the emergency brakes, and this is a pulley off of a mower. I did do some customization just to make it fit, and I think I turned this myself, and then I turned this adjustment and tapped it to fit on the end of the shaft that comes out of the motor. This is just a piece of metal that I welded, made it fit. Piece of angle iron down here that I welded to it to make it fit. But I'm super happy with it. Just adds more function to a lathe that you know, isn't the most accurate or professional lathe in the world, but has a ton of function, and I'm just adding to it. Here's the milling, and this is what I'm going to show hooked up. But I'll make another video about that. But it's just an example of things that don't cost very much, but can really increase the functionality of this lathe. So I know it's dirty. I know I got stuff everywhere, but I'm very, very happy that this worked. And I was worried that it wasn't going to have enough torque to turn the lead screw and the carriage. You know, this carriage, it's a lot of metal. It would need a lot of torque but I'm really happy with the performance of it so far. So that's Robbie Weeds out.